This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Dodge Dart key fob. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver or a coin, and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. It's also a good idea to work on a clean, well-lit surface to avoid misplacing any tiny components. Let's get started. Now, let's find the opening point on your key fob. Look closely along the edges of the fob, especially near where the key ring attaches. You should see a small notch or slot. This is the designated spot for prying the two halves apart. It's designed to be subtle but accessible, so take a moment to locate it precisely before proceeding to the next step. With your tool in hand, carefully insert the tip of the small flathead screwdriver or the edge of your coin into that slot you just located. Now, gently twist or pry the tool. You'll feel the two halves of the key fob casing begin to separate. Apply steady, even pressure to avoid breaking any of the small plastic clips that hold it together. The goal is a smooth, controlled opening. Once open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Carefully remove it, noting its orientation. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob casing and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click. Your key fob is now ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.